up, you guys? I'm in the E39 M5 and there's lots of stuff to do, so let's dive right in, hop into this thing, and let's get going. Enjoy. Oop, and there it is. The front windshield is finally replaced. It's been a while. Important domestic auto glass hooked it up here in Northern California, Sacramento to be exact. Come see them. I'll drop the link in the description below, but here it is. We don't have that busted windshield anymore, so we're not going to attract the popo, and that's a good thing. So now we're going to carry on, continue with the rebuild, and move on to the next thing. So let's go. Alright, so vacuum just got completed, and just by the gauges it looks like it's holding vacuum. That's a good sign. There's no leak, so let's go ahead and charge this puppy up. If you look right here on the radiator support, 1.65 pounds. So let's go. Okay, so we charged the AC system to spec. Now let's see if we're getting any AC working. So it is on right now. And it's not blowing cold. That's not good. Let's see if the cooling fan is working. Yep, the cooling fan is working. That's good. But AC is actually blowing warm, so we possibly have a compressor issue, or I don't know, my ambient temperature is not hooked up. Maybe that's causing it. So I'm gonna have to look into it. I could hear the cooling fan running, but AC is not running, so we gotta look into this one. Days ago I charged my AC, everything was fine, there was no leaks, but fan was coming on, but AC was not blowing cold. Check this out. I just removed this passenger front headlight and the pressure switch right here. not connected, so it makes sense my compressor wasn't kicking on, most likely because of that. So we're gonna connect it, put everything on, hopefully AC is gonna be working, so we'll find out here shortly. All right, so it's been long overdue. Didn't show the car in quite some time. So let's go ahead and do a little overview. So this is pretty much how the car will look. The gaps are pretty much adjusted how I like. Yeah, they could be a little better, but I'm not gonna complain. Got the halos going, LEDs, the bulbs, low beams, everything is on and it's good. Bumper grill on the bottom is on. Grills are aftermarket, front bumper is aftermarket. Fitment is not perfect, but hey, 150 bucks compared to like $1,000, not gonna complain. I do like the paint job though, as you could see, looks really nice. And if I shut the door, there was no paint blends and this is how it looks. So very happy how the painter did it. But if you did hear that little clunk, yeah, E39's not supposed to do that, especially a nice Beamer M5 like this. So we're gonna have to address that issue. But other than that, let's move inside. As you guys just seen, I was messing with the cluster. It took me like a day and a half. You took like how many naps?
3, 4 naps.
Yeah, it took me literally like 9 hours to do this, but hey, now you can see the mileage 131,662. Does say -40. That's my temperature sensor. Ambient is not hooked up on the outside. We'll do that later. Moving along in the rear. Here it is. Nothing crazy other than this blemish on the rear bumper. You guys seen me installing this diffuser, matte black, and that tip is kind of bent, so we're gonna have to address that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All the windows are tinted. They're kind of just rolled down. And all these doors though, they're solid. Maybe look in the inside real quick. Kind of cleaned it up. It's not like fully done, but
full leather interior.
yep, smells real good. If you guys do maybe know of a conditioner for the leather, hit me up. I already tried the Lexol one, so other than that, hit me up in the comment section below. I'd want to test something out. But that's pretty much it. You got anything to add? I don't know. Maybe I'm forgetting something. I don't know.
When are you gonna put the emblem on?
Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta get my wife to do that. I told her I'm gonna let her do it, so that's gonna. Well, I'll let me at least
Test it.
Yeah. It does change the whole look of the car, that's for sure.
Dang.
Damn. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm super happy with it. I guess that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna move along next week probably and lift the car up and check underneath and do an oil change. So stay tuned.